Hello friends, in this video we will tell about agroforestry. What is agroforestry? Agroforestry is a collective name for land use system involving trees combined with crop and or animals on the same unit of land. Definition: agroforestry is any sustainable land use system that maintains or increases total yield by combining food crops annuals with tree crops perennials and or livestock on the same unit of land, either alternately or at the same time, using management practices that suit the social and cultural characteristics of the local people and the economic and ecological condition of the area. Different terminologies for describing tree cultivation in non-forest area. First is farm forestry. Define farm forestry. Farm forestry was defined by NCA 1976 as the practice of forestry in all its aspects in and the around the farm or village land integrated with other farm operation. Farm forestry is the name given on program which promote commercial tree growing by farmer on their own land. Farm forestry was defined by NCA 1976 as the practice of forestry in all its aspect in and the around the farms or village lands integrated with other farm operation. Next is extension forestry. Extension forestry is the practice of forestry in area devoid of tree growth and other vegetation suited in place away from the conventional forest area with the object of increasing the area under tree growth. It includes the followings. First is mixed forestry. Second, shelter belts. Third is liner strip plantation. What is mixed forestry? Mixed forestry is the practice of forestry for raising fodder grass with scattered fodder trees, fruit trees, and fuel wood trees on suitable waterland, panchayat land, and village common. Next is shelter belts. Shelter belts is defined as a belt or tree and or shrub maintained for the purpose of shelter from wind, sun, snow, etc. Last is liner strip plantation. These are the plantation of fast growing species on liner strip of land. Next is rehabilitation of degraded forest. The degraded area under forest need immediate attention, the ecological restoration and for meeting the socio-economic need of the communities living in and around such areas. Next is recreation forestry. Recreation forestry is the practice of forestry with the object of raising flowering tree and serve mainly to serve as recreation forest for the urban and rural population. This type of forestry is also known as aesthetic forestry, which is defined as the practice of forestry with the object of developing or maintaining a forest of high scenic value. Benefit of agroforestry: reduction of pressure on forest, more efficient recycling of nutrients by deep rooted tree on the site, better protection of ecological systems, increment in soil nutrients through addition and decomposition of litter fall, improvement of soil structure through the constant addition of organic matter from decomposed litter. Thank you.